Hey guys, this is Peter from LP Sketch. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use selection tools in Photoshop. There are several types of selection tools in Photoshop. In this video, I am going to use a cat image. As you can see, it's a cat. So, if you want this image, you can download by the link in this description. So you can follow along with this tutorial with me. Okay, first the selection tool we are going to see is the marquee tool. There are several types of marquee tools. There are rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. So now we can see the rectangular marquee tool. As you can see, the rectangular marquee tool selects the image in a rectangle shape. Okay, obviously it's a rectangle tool. Okay, if you want to expand this selection, you can go to select, modify and click expand and give the amount of pixels you want. Okay, it's expanded like so. Super. This is how the rectangle tool works. Next is the elliptical marquee tool. As you can see, this elliptical marquee tool, okay, select image in a circle. Okay, in a circle. Okay. If you want to select inverted, you can click Ctrl Shift plus I to invert the selection. If you want to deselect, click Ctrl D to deselect it. Okay, the next tool we are going to see is a lasso tool. The lasso tool is just like a brush or a pencil. If you draw with this tool to select a image or a part of an image, as you can see, I am drawing now in the edges of the cat. So it selects the cat according to my drawing. Okay, this is how it works. Now let's see the other tool. It's called polygonal lasso tool. What is the polygonal lasso tool? It selects the image in a line method. So the polygonal tool uses geometry like stuff. Okay, so for example, you can see I'm selecting the geometry stuff. Okay, a straight line with it. So it's easy to use to select some geometry stuff like door, carpet, like this. Okay, so you can move that with the move tool. Okay, just deselect it. Next tool we are going to see is the quick selection tool. What is the quick selection tool in the world, you may ask? This quick selection tool is a tool which selects the image according to the pixels of colors and pixels of the image. So okay, many artists use this tool to select the image quickly and faster. Yeah, so you can see I selected this cat very quickly, right? So the next tool we are going to see is the magic wand tool. What is the magic wand tool? The magic wand tool selects an image according to the color you click. Okay, if like this in the example, I'm clicking the black color, so it selects only the blacks of the image, as you can see. So if I click the sandal color, tool selects the sandal color in the image. Okay, this is the magic wand tool. The next tool we are going to see is the brush. What? A brush? How can you use a brush to select an image, you may ask? But look at those images. I'm going to select this. No, not like this. But if you click Q, it enters into the quick mask mode in the layer of the back image. Okay, the layer turned red. Okay, cool. If you want to select, you have to paint it with black. If you want to deselect, you have to paint it with white. Okay, so as you can see, I painted it with black, but the screen obviously shows red because it's in a quick mask mode. This will select the image. As you can see, the image is selected invertedly. If you want to select inverted, you can click Ctrl Shift plus I to invert the selection. If you want to deselect, click Ctrl D to deselect it. The next tool we are going to see is the pen tool. Okay, the pen tool is also a selection tool. So if you want to select with the pen tool, you have to go to this menu and select path. Okay, if you selected the path, the shape, path, selected the path, you have to draw according to what you want the image. so I sped up the video a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I draw in the edges of the cat. So I want the cat, so I select, I'm drawing over the cat to select it, obviously, yeah, to select it. Okay, now there's no selection. Wow, how to do? Yeah, right click. Okay, you have to right click. If you want to select, you have to click right click and click the make selection option. Okay, if you want to feather the edges, you can give a pixel amount, but I don't want to give a pixel amount. I want to give a pixel on top. Okay, it's selected, right? So like this you can select with the pen tool. Okay, cool, isn't it? Okay, nice. The other tool we are going to see is the ellipse tool. Ellipse tool, yeah, absolutely. Like the pen tool, you have to go to the top this menu and select the path to select it and use it like the pen tool. Yeah, obviously, select the image and click right click and make selection for the red areas. It's your choice. Okay, there are several types of selection shape tools actually. Yeah, you can select a custom shape you want. So I'm going to click that banner image, the image of screw, I think so. Okay, so okay, sorry for excuse me. Okay, so I select it and click, and so in the path selection, so I selected. Sorry, if you want to select, you have to go to the tool. So okay, click right click and click the option make selection. If you want to, yeah, you can set the red areas. Okay, cool. Now it's selected. So how to deselect? Click Ctrl D. Absolutely. As you can see, there are many types of, okay, there are several types of selection tools and the custom shapes you also. The final tool we are going to see is the magnetic lasso tool. What the magnetic lasso tool does, it selects the edges of the image. Okay, of the image. Oh, sorry, I draw over the cat. Okay, the selection tool selects that particular area. How it does, it actually compares the 2 pixels on that area where the mouse is. So it compares it and see the different colors. As you can see, black, this side, yeah, darker color, brownish color, right side, left side it's a sandal or yellow lighter color. Okay, so it understands the difference and take the right darker color to select it. So this is how it works. Okay, this is this video. Yeah, these are the ways to select images in Photoshop. So if you find this video useful, you can give like and share it with your friends and click subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.